Hey, let me show you unboxing of Galaxy Buds FE. So first, when we open the box, we can find the case. And at the front, we can actually find the LED indicator. When you close your case, it will be lights up. And when it turns red, it means that the case is actually below the 50% of the battery. And when it's green, it means that it's above the 50% of the battery. On the back, you can find the USB-C input. And when you plug a cable into this USB-C port, this indicator will light up. So it means that your charging case is actually charging. Next, when you open the box, we can find both earbuds and another indicator. That's how it looks from inside. And when you take them off, you can find the sensors right here and right here. And also there's like the ear wings that will allows you to input your earbuds in the ears and keep them a little bit more stable. So that's how it looks, and maybe I'm gonna move forward into the box. So let's put this one back. Okay, and right here we can find the USB-C cable, and it's actually the double USB-C cable. And right here we can also find the ear tips that we can change. This size right here is actually the medium, so when you roll out this ear tip, you can find the information that it's the medium size. So right here we can also find the different sizes. That's the small, large, and the extra large. And also right here you will find these earrings with the two different sizes. There we go. I can take it off. It looks like this. So you can actually change this one. And when you take a look right here, you can also find the paperwork. So that's the quick start guide and the warranty. And that's basically it. That's everything that you can find on your Galaxy Buds FE. And if you wonder if you are looking for some tutorials, for sure check my YouTube channel, because you can find a lot of different tutorials. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.